Hey everybody, what's happening? Mike and Brian coming at you from our Drone is Lost Productions, and we'd like to go ahead and throw a shout out to Bob Sanders, who was our winner last month. There were 7 people who got the answer right, which was Bootleg Canyon, and Bob's name was drawn out of a hat, so he was the one who walked away with the gift certificate. This month we're going to make it a little bit harder, so our gift certificate will be worth $75 for this month. We'd just like to say that from now on, when you go to submit your answer, just go ahead and look at the bottom of the YouTube page, and you should find a link there for my email address. So whenever you want to submit your answer, just go ahead and click on that link. It should take you right to my email, and just go ahead and submit your answer. But remember, subscribe first.
Hi guys, again, congratulations to Bob. This time we're going to head out. We're heading outside of Vegas. We're going up into Utah. We're up outside of Cedar City, up in the mountains. I think we got some great footage. You guys are going to enjoy it. It's definitely going to be a little bit harder to figure out where we're at, but good luck to everybody. We're going to hit the road again in a couple weeks. Thanks to Best Time RV, they're going to supply us with an RV so we can get out there, start getting more of these videos shot. So good luck to everybody, and have a great day.
Now remember, folks, the rules of the game are: you subscribe to the channel, you first watch the video, subscribe to the channel, submit your answer, and hope that you're the winner. Remember, this month will be worth $75. And I'd like to say thanks to Best Time RV also. We picked up our first sponsor, and they're going to be supplying us with our RVs from now on. So
Awesome, man.
thank you.
Oh yeah, I'm the procrastinator.
Hey everybody, Mike and Brian coming at you again from our Drone is Lost Productions. We'd like to go ahead and throw a shout out to Bob Sanders, who was our last month's winner. And we're going to bring you our 4th video in our series of 12 videos that we're throwing out there. And hopefully, what? It's our 3rd or 4th?
Third video, dude. Go ahead. Go again, dude. I'm ready.
This is only our 3rd video?
It's only our 3rd video, dude.
Fuck, we're so far behind, man.
Let's just make this our
shit.
introduction. Just
Holy
arguing with each other.
Shit, man. All right.
That means peace the fuck out, bitch. Run it
Wait,
back.
hold on, we're missing something, dude. I know we're missing something.
Run it back. We got the thank you. We told them the old one was Bootleg Canyon.